Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll. Okay, we're going to start painting. Today is paint day. So anyways, what I want to do before I even start is to wipe down this doll. Just get her totally wiped down. Okay. And we're going to start painting. So I got my paint here. I'm going to be using the same paint that I used on my baby Hendren because I got lots of it here. And it's a nice flesh tone, so let's just go with it. Let's see how well it turns out. And if it doesn't turn out the way I like it to be, well then we will look into something else for her. Okay, let's make sure her hair is all out of the way. Okay, here we go. It's going to be around the hairline that's going to really be awful. Okay, now I'm wondering, okay, this is the easy part. All this stuff in here is easy. And this is where I want to get maybe a smaller brush. A tinier brush to go up in this area. Okay, I think I'm going to concentrate on one side at a time. So let's just get some smaller brushes here, like just something small. And I'm just going to paint. Really difficult. Oh gee, great. Ah, my goodness. Ah. Okay, she's rolling away on me here. I'm going to put two glasses on so I can see right up near close to her. Okay. What I'm trying to do is, this brush is working out beautifully. Now I can't get right up into her hairline, but I'm pretty close into the hairline here. Like, I am really close. It's not going to be this is really a hard area to go into. I wouldn't airbrush this at all. I wouldn't even attempt it. Not me anyways. I'm going to put it that, be honest with you. That looks really good. This is where I want to bring this one in. There's a little hair right here that I want to pull back. Just stay away from. No. No, this just might work out. Okay, so we keep going here with this. This looks really pretty good, actually. I'm surprised it's turning out as good as what I thought it was going to turn out to be. I didn't think I was going to be able to get as close as what I am already. Wow, that's pretty good. Okay. So I don't know if I want to go on this side just yet, because no, I guess I won't. Okay, I thought maybe I might take the paint off, but no, I'm not. Okay. Hope you're enjoying this, seeing this being done. As I'm telling you, this is, I have no training in this. Ooh, I gotta be careful. I don't want to get, okay. So far so good. Look, a little bit of paint in her hair here. Okay, that's not for me. This is from somebody else. This paint, other paint. But I still don't want to get anything. Wow. We're not going to do the back yet until where this is done at the front. Ooh, see over there. Okay. That is as far as I am going to go with this for today. Okay, we're going to let this dry. It's not, I hope you see what I've done. I think I did pretty good. I'm happy with what I've done, but you know, there's a lot more yet to go on this doll, of course, but we are making some headway. I think she looks quite delightful. I'm trying to get off some little pieces of whatever that is. Okay. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed this. I was quite surprised how easy this really was. I was expecting something a little bit harder. I really was. But maybe I shouldn't jump ahead like this. Okay, so I'm going to stop. You know, my Kenny Rogers song coming back into my head. Know when to fold up, know when to walk away, know when to shut up, know when to run away. Ooh. You know, just know when to stop. You know, I'm happy so far. This will pop out more, so you won't see much of the white line. I've got it pulled back, so we're going to hopefully bring it forward a little bit where you won't be seeing much of a white line going around. But you know what? When they're already pre-put in, it's not a wig or anything. You're kind of stuck with so much of what you can do. But you know what? We're not done yet. So let's not say a whole lot at this time. I'm really quite happy with how far I've come just in this short period of time. I mean, just today, painting her like the way I am. So I'm going to stop and let her dry. We'll come back to her and let's see how well what we do for her. But I think she's going to look beautiful when we're done. At least we can get her looking better and bring out a lot of her beauty, not just a little bit of her beauty, a lot of her beauty. All right, I want to make her a dress. This is something I'm challenging myself to do, is to make her a dress. And I'm excited about making her a dress. And I can't wait to do it. I've been looking at my material here. I've got some patterns already I've been looking at that would really work for her. And yeah, so anyways, thank you for joining me, and thank you for taking your time out of your day to listen to me and to see me paint this wonderful old doll. She's worth it. She has a lot of value in the doll world, not as far as monetary, but we're looking at more just her value as a doll. And her beauty has value, and her history has value. So we want to make sure that we are remembering all those other things besides monetary. Monetary is important too. I'm not putting that down, but it's always last to me. The doll is first, and her history and her beauty and everything else. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed what you've seen here, and a lot more coming of this wonderful old doll. We are not done yet with her. We have a lot more to go. So I just want to say thank you for your time, and leave me a comment, and subscribe if you're passing by, and yeah, because you know what, you might miss something, you know. So thank you again. We'll be talking to you again really soon. Bye-bye.